Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Happy Monday to the Kringle community of abundance, love, and respect. You are welcome once again. This is a wonderful day and a beautiful week. Guys, don't forget, good things are coming. So if you are in the community and you are thinking, what is this is getting long? No, 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 no. Good things are coming. So like what happened early this year. Last year, December, the admin said there is a surprise for every member of the community. And surprise, surprise, surprise. When we get to this year, it was indeed a surprise. Not just a surprise, but a wonderful and a great surprise. So, guys, good things are coming. Keep on. And like the latest post on the blog today, everyone is getting excited about the 1000 TBC gift in July. Guys, it is a gift. It is a gift. And gift can either be taken or rejected. But I beg you, accept this gift. Take it, collect it, receive it. It's a gift like no other gift. 1000 TBC is not a joke. Guys, and that is equivalent to two coins, 1000 TBC, and at the same time, you are getting the equal match of that same 1000 TBC in Kilo. So, guys, it's worth it. There's no big deal. What's the criteria? Pay your program fee. Simple. And you know what? For all Culti members, you're not only getting 1,000, you'll be getting 1,200. For making your program fee for paying your program fee in the month of July, you are getting 200 TBC. So addition to the gift, became 1,200 TBC. Wow, that's great. And to all the backup team members, yours is 1,100. This is great and it's huge. So guys, everybody, let us encourage all our fathers, even our son sponsors, some of them that are redundant. Let's ask them to come on board. Send them to come on board. Guys, furthermore, irrespective of your faith, TBC is a community that accommodates the total humanity, irrespective of your faith. We don't practice faith here because in TBC we have every faith being practiced by members of the Kringle community. So we're not a faith-based community, but we are a big community based on love and respect. So you don't have to believe in Santa to get your 1000 TBC gift in July for making your billionaire program fee payment. Santa Claus is just a symbol of love and sharing. That's all. It's not. We are not ascribing by the thought of admin is not ascribing it to any faith whatsoever. But over time, in history, Santa Claus has been known to be a symbol of love, a symbol of sharing, a symbol of gift. And the TBC, the 1000 TBC is a gift. What is the admin doing? Sharing it to us. I said of what? Love for humanity. So that is why Santa Claus is being used. So guys, love unites divisions regardless of our faith. So for everyone to come on board, yes, love unites divisions regardless of our faith. So come on board, get your 1000 TBC. We have just few days left in this month. By Friday, we are entering into another new month from 1st of July. So begin to prepare now and pay your program fee ahead. The moment we get into the month of July, pay your program fee. And as many that pay their 1,000, they pay their program fee, the next program fee, they will get the 1,000 gifts. So guys, don't relent. Come on board. This is a gift for all humanity that comes into the community. It's wonderful. So looking forward to it. And don't forget, this afternoon we are having our mass adoption training. This training is a wonderful training that has never been the same since time we started during the coronavirus. So guys, come on board. 4 p.m. West African time. Come and speak directly with the TBC admin, the creator of TBC himself. So guys, come on board. looking forward to see you. Thank you. And I want you to like this broadcast and at the same time subscribe to this channel for subsequent up-to-date information, and you will receive a notification immediately any post is being posted. So guys, click on that bell and subscribe. Thank you very much. TBC is my bad tries. Looking forward to see you making your program fee payment and what? Receiving your what? 1000 TBC gifts. Thank you. You guys, bye for now.